Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Here are 15 MCQs with answers and explanations on optimized semantic models in Microsoft Fabric. Question 1. What is one benefit of using direct lake mode over import or direct query? Correct answer is combines the performance of import with the freshness of direct query, as direct lake offers low latency access to parquet data without scheduled refresh. Question 2. What does DAX function remote filters do in a performance context? Correct answer is clears filters from specific columns or tables for optimized aggregations as remote filters, enhances performance by eliminating unneeded filters. Question 3. What feature helps reduce dataset processing time for large semantic models? Correct answer is incremental refresh, as incremental refresh avoids full dataset reloads by refreshing only recent data. Question 4. In direct lake mode, when does the fallback to direct query occur by default? Correct answer is when direct lake is not supported for specific operations, as direct lake falls back to direct query if a query requires unsupported operations. Question 5. What DAX optimization pattern reduces repeated expression evaluation? Correct answer is using variables with VAR and return as DAX. Variables improve performance by storing reusable intermediate results. Question 6. What role do aggregations play in optimizing large semantic models? Correct answer is serve pre-computed summaries to reduce query load, as aggregations reduce resource-intensive row-level calculations during queries. Question 7. Which setting is required to enable incremental refresh in a semantic model? Correct answer is range start and range end parameters, as these parameters define the filtering boundaries for incremental processing. Question 8. What is a key performance consideration when using nested calculate functions? Correct answer is they increase query plan complexity and slow down evaluation, as deeply nested calculate logic can increase evaluation cost and slow performance. Question 9. What is one advantage of composite models in performance tuning? Correct answer is they enable granular control over query behavior via storage modes, as composite models allow mixing storage modes to optimize speed and scale. Question 10. How does materializing columns in DAX help performance? Correct answer is avoids repeated evaluation of expensive expressions, as pre-computed columns reduce the need for real-time calculation during query execution. Question 11. How is direct lake mode refresh handled in Microsoft Fabric? Correct answer is no scheduled refresh is required. Queries read from one lake directly, as direct lake directly accesses data from one lake without refresh schedules. Question 12. What does aggregating data at source help reduce in a large model? Correct answer is the size of in-memory model and query execution time, as source-side aggregations shrink data size and minimize Power BI engine work. Question 13. What happens when direct lake queries fall back to direct query often? Correct answer is performance may degrade due to round trips to the source, as fallback to direct query causes delays as the source system is hit directly. Question 14. How can visual performance and reports be improved without altering the model? Correct answer is reduce number of visuals and enable persistent filters, as fewer visuals and filters reduce render time and improve responsiveness. Question 15. What is the impact of using too many calculated columns instead of measures? Correct answer is increases memory usage and model size, as calculated columns are stored in memory, increasing model size and consumption. For full-length practice exams, check the link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and comment if you like the video.